Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. Well, so those of you that have seen our Idaho trip know that we've had a rough go with the trailer pulling. Damn thing came off, really wear onto John's bike. So at the end of that, we were almost kind of like, fuck trailers. But when we were talking about Alaska coming up in 2025, Kate and I were thinking that, like, 30 days on the road, a trailer might actually be handy because we can't even bring clothes as it is, or enough clothes. So that was always kind of in the back of my mind that eventually that I was going to pull a trailer, but I had a specific trailer in mind, especially after watching the Two Wheels Big World couple. Shout out. They're pulling a Bushtec trailer, and I think, in my opinion, that's the best thing going. I thought I was years away from buying a trailer. A deal came by that I just couldn't pass up on this used trailer. So I got a Bushtec. It's fucking weird, man. And it's huge. Like, what more do you need? It's too big. Legit, me and Kate can both sleep in there if we wanted. I'm not, because I'm horrendously claustrophobic. It's too big. Super jazzed about it. The guy had it painted to match his bike. I'm not going to paint it to match my bike. I think I'm going to black it out, I'm going to fill it with logos and icons and stuff as our shit shows traveling down the road. At least people know what we got going on. Hey, if you're looking to sponsor a shitty trailer, shoot me an email at oldfriendsnewroads@hotmail.com and maybe you can get your logo on my trailer. This is just an introduction. Hopefully here in the next couple of weeks I'm going to start tearing it apart, prep it for paint, replace the wheels, the bearings. Then I got to get a hitch for my bike. If Bushtec would ever email me back, I can get that going too. So more to come on our second trailer series. Thanks for watching. Check you later.